Intensive listening, topik vacation. Halo mahasiswa semuanya, video kali ini kita akan membahas materi tentang how was your vacation? Bagaimana liburanmu? Alright, silakan simak poin A. Listen, what did these people do on vacation? Nah, mahasiswa semuanya silakan temukan jawaban dan jangan lupa dicentang yang merupakan correct pictures. Okay, here we go.
How was your vacation? Listen. What did these people do on vacation? Write W, Way, J, Julia, K, Katie, or R, Ryan in the correct pictures. There is one extra picture for each pair. 1. Way and Julia.
Way, good to see you. So, how was your vacation?
Oh, it was wonderful.
What did you do?
Well, let's see. I walked around this beautiful garden.
Really? I didn't know you liked gardening.
Oh, I don't like doing gardening. It's too much work. But I love to look at beautiful flowers.
So what else did you do, Way?
Well, I went to some great restaurants. I ate seafood every night.
Really?
Yeah. Crab, lobster, great food. Not too expensive either. It was just a terrific trip. So how was your vacation, Julia?
Well, I didn't go anywhere special.
You just rested?
Yeah. It was nice to be home and have a lot of time for things like reading. I did a lot of that. I probably read, 4 or 5 books. And I visited a couple of museums. So it was relaxing, but also very interesting.
Sounds nice.
2. Katie and Ryan.
Did you have a good vacation, Katie?
Yeah, it was exciting. Probably my most exciting vacation ever.
Wow! What did you do?
I took a nature adventure tour. For the first part, we went hiking. It was so much fun. We hiked all the way up to these beautiful waterfalls. I took lots of pictures.
Sounds great. So, what else did you do on the tour?
Well, the best part was at the end of the trip. We went skydiving. Can you believe it? I jumped out of an airplane.
Wow!
Yeah, it was just a fantastic vacation. But anyway, that's enough about my vacation. How did you spend your break, Ryan?
Oh, I drove to visit my relatives.
Uh-huh. Did you have a good time?
Well, it was pretty boring, actually. It rained every day, so we had to stay inside. We just stayed home and watched TV a lot.
Oh, that's too bad.
No, that's okay. It really was very relaxing, even though it was a little boring.
A trip to forget. Listen. Sarah and a friend took a vacation to England. What situations is Sarah talking about? Number the pictures from 1 to 5. There is one extra picture. 1.
Hey, how was your trip to England?
Well, it was certainly a trip I'll remember. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately? Why unfortunately?
Well, if something could go wrong, it did.
Like what?
Oh, it was awful. It started in New York. First, our plane arrived late coming into New York, so we missed the plane, our connecting flight to London. We had to stay at a hotel and catch the plane the next day.
Boy, bad start.
2.
We finally got on the plane the next day and made it to England. We were planning to stay at a youth hostel in London, but when we arrived, the youth hostel was full. There were no more beds. We had to take a bus to another one on the other side of London.
Oh no, that must have been horrible.
It was.
3.
So, what else happened?
Well, the next morning we got up early and walked to Buckingham Palace. Then we went to see Trafalgar Square.
Yeah, I hear that's terrific.
I wouldn't know. It was completely closed. They were filming a movie, and you couldn't get anywhere near the square.
That's too bad.
4.
Well, what next?
Since I was a little kid, I've always wanted to see Stonehenge. The very large stones set in a circle. They had special meaning for people thousands of years ago.
Interesting.
We took a bus tour to get there. We left really early in the morning, and guess what?
What?
It rained all day. It was terrible. We couldn't take any pictures at all.
Stop! I can't hear anymore. You poor thing.
5.
Oh, that's not all. After the trip to Stonehenge, we were feeling pretty down, so we decided to go shopping at Harrods, the famous department store. I found these beautiful sweaters, but there were no price tags, so I asked the price. I thought the clerk said 16 pounds each, so I decided to buy 3. But when she gave me the total, I saw that they were 60 pounds each, not 16.
Well, I guess that's the last trip you'll take to England.
Exercise B. Listen again. What were the problems? Circle the correct information.
Alright, mahasiswa semuanya, untuk details B, listen again. Maksudnya di sini Anda diminta untuk mendengarkan kembali audio sebelumnya. Audionya sama ya. Nah, kemudian jangan lupa dilingkari yang merupakan informasi yang tepat terkait dengan a trip to forget. Alright, mahasiswa semuanya, sekian dulu materi kita tentang vacation dan jangan lupa kerjakan tugas yang sudah diberikan. Thank you. See you for the next meeting. Bye-bye.